Let's go, everyone. Today unboxing this new Huckberry and Tacoma t-shirt. So Huckberry logo here, Toyota Tacoma logo there. Size medium, made in the USA. Let's do this. I really like these shirts. They're super heavy duty, fit well, and go well while I'm going on adventures with my Tacoma. Let's check this out. There we go. Huckberry logo here. Nice green color on the front. Huckberry logo here. In the back. Wow. Huckberry logo, X Toyota Tacoma over here. Really cool. Yeah, let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.